Welcome. If you want to restore your engine's performance, you're in the right place. With a few simple maintenance steps, you can make your engine run like new. Let's get started. Number 1, change the oil and filter. Regular oil changes keep your engine lubricated and reduce wear. Number 2, inspect and replace air filters. Clean air filters improve airflow, enhancing efficiency and performance. Number 3, use fuel system cleaner. Periodic use of a fuel system cleaner can remove deposits and improve combustion. Number 4, check spark plugs. Worn or dirty spark plugs can affect ignition and fuel efficiency. Replace them if necessary. Number 5, inspect belts and hoses. Look for wear and tear. Replace any frayed or cracked belts or hoses. Number 6, flush the cooling system. Maintaining a clean cooling system prevents overheating and engine damage. Number 7, check battery health. A weak battery can affect engine performance. Clean terminals and replace if needed. Number 8, tire maintenance. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency and handling. Number 9, regular maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule for optimal performance. Number 10, drive smoothly. Avoid aggressive driving to reduce wear and tear on your engine. Implementing these steps can significantly improve your engine's performance and longevity. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share for more tips on keeping your vehicle in great shape.